Okay, so I have my F1 almost ready. I need to get some tire juice on it, put the body on, and then I'm gonna have a little bit of fun with my semi. This is a toy that I changed into a proportional racing machine. I'm just planning to have a trailer from another toy together in order to make some effective delivery of race cars on the track. Of course, the back fell down because it's not really meant to have that much weight at the back, but I think with a bit of luck it's gonna hold. So I have my Atomic that is just really barely hanging on there because I don't have body post for it. I have my Mephisto Classic and my 07. Better dead. Okay. Let's go maneuver. I hope the back is going to hold still. Alright, the rear is from a really cheap toy from Toys R Us. The front is actually a really nice scale truck. It's still a toy, but it worked for a little while, and then the servo stopped working in the front. And as it was not proportional, I just thought I would switch it. So sadly now the original trailer cannot come in enough by itself, but right now I'm not using the original trailer. I'm just using, let's see, that's full blast. I'm not gonna go too quickly because I think that the trailer is gonna fall if I do so. It's pretty cool. So let's see how good I am at parking this thing. It's gonna be pretty sad probably to look at. Hey, not that bad. First time. Right.